all these YouTube videos that traveling by train is a great experience. It's beautiful. It's cheap. You enjoy the scenery. However, you do have to realize many things. You have to come with a lot of time because you will get lost in the train stations when you connect from metro to the railing stations. You don't want to be like these people that just miss this train, past train going to Venetia, St. Lucia. They just basically ran all the way from that point over there, chasing the train that just left. So I really felt bad for these people. So you really have to come with a lot of time not to miss your train, to enjoy your experience. You want to be like these people that are waiting, about half hour to 45 minutes before you departure on your train. You don't want to be like 5 minutes, because you will miss your train, and if you do, you will lose your ticket and your money, which is in euros. And if you're traveling from the US or from South America, it means a lot more money than you really think. So come prepared to walk a lot, to be here on time, and don't bring a lot of luggage, because that will also make the trip a lot more hectic. That's it for now. Enjoy your trip if you travel by train, and be really well informed. Know a little bit about the language of the country that you're traveling to. See ya.
Il treno regionale veloce delle ore 8:15 per Torino Pordenone e ai partenze dal binario 7.